In this 2025 guide, I'll show you how to create custom fields in DocuSign, perfect for building envelopes and templates faster. First, log into your DocuSign account and go to Templates. Click Create Template or select an existing one to edit. Add your recipients and set the roles for signing or viewing. Drag and drop fields onto your document like signature, date, or text fields. To create custom fields, click New Custom Field, name it, and choose the type: text, checkbox, drop-down, or date. Set properties like required, read-only, or default values to fit your workflow. Save the custom fields, and now every time you use this template, these fields are ready to go, speeding up your document preparation. And that's it, your DocuSign custom fields are set up and ready for faster envelopes and templates. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more 2025 DocuSign tutorials.